Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the CommSec mobile app. In 2026, the CommSec mobile app remains the powerhouse for Australian investors who prioritize security and data depth over flashy gamified trading. So this one right here, it has the biggest pro is its integration with Commonwealth Bank. So if you bank with CBA, your transfers are instant and your portfolio view is seamless. So for 2026, the app has overhauled its live streaming data, providing professional grade charting and market moving news alerts that outpace almost every free competitor. The truth about its features is that it is built for serious long-term investor. It offers chess sponsorship, meaning you actually own the shares in your name, and across a complex instrument like options and warrants that simpler apps like StakeLack. I'm sorry. However, the con remains that the brokerage fees, which are significantly higher than low-cost rivals, often starting at $10 to $29.95 depending on trade size. While it feels a bit heavy and traditional compared to newer apps, CommSec is the gold standard for Australian investors who want the peace of mind of a Big Four bank and the best research tools in the business.